In this guide, I'll show you how to remove metadata from photos on your iPhone. So if we just first head over to our mobile device and head inside of the Photos app, and then if I just come across and select one of my photos here, come down to the information button at the bottom, you can see we have all of this data collected about the photo. So it tells us what device this photo was taken on, the type of camera used, as well as some location information. So to go ahead and strip all of this data, what we need to do is just close out of here, and we're going to head over to an internet browser. I'm just going to use Safari, then head over to a search engine like google.com, and we're just going to search for remove metadata from photo and hit enter. Then scroll down and head over to this first website at the top here, imageonline.com, and click this. Then we need to scroll down to this choose file section at the bottom and press this, select photo library, and then just go ahead and select the photo where you want the metadata to be removed from. Click done in the top right hand side and then select OK. Once this is finished, as you can see, now metadata has been deleted successfully. Click on download processed image, click download, and then press this download icon in the bottom left hand side. Come over to downloads and then just select your image from here. Then press on the share icon in the bottom left hand side. Come down to save image, and now that new image has been saved to our photos. So if I head back over to my Photos app and select the photo, come back over to the information tab, you can see now all of the camera information and the device and all the location has now been removed. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you remove metadata from your photos on your iPhone. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.